Shahrukh, no stranger to awards. You've won many at home. What does this one mean to you here in London?
Um, to me, it actually becomes even more pertinent because over the years I've been made to understand that most of the work that I do has been appreciated a lot around the world, especially in UK. So I always say this. I think a lot of the star work, the stardom that I have achieved happens to be because of the South Asians, especially in UK. And some of the people who are being honoured tonight, very close friends and great talent. Russell Peters here, Zen, young boy. And the young people, Leon Lewis and Neelam, and of course the doyen of them all, my friend, goodness gracious me, Sanjeev Bhaskar. They've done so much for Asians, and to be a part of all this, I just want to thank Paul Sagu and everyone here, the Asian community, for allowing me and giving me this honor.
And you've been shooting here for many, many years. How have you seen the Asian diaspora change?
They're all the same. They're very loving, they're very warm, they're very sweet, and the food tastes fantastic. And they've always been very nice. I'm just very proud of the fact that so many Asians, not only here in England, but around the world, are doing so well. And I think it takes a lot of guts to leave your home, be away from it, be able to find new footings, and figure out life ahead. It takes a lot of guts. I wouldn't be able to do it. So I really appreciate it, and I wish everyone here and everyone around the world who's not in their hometowns, not in their houses, not in their mother country, and doing so well, that they continue to do so.
Okay, thank you, Shahrukh.
Thank you. Thank you.